This is a miniature Thomas Tompion striking and hour let-off table clock. Designed, commissioned and made for Queen Mary. There are 2 clocks known to have been commissioned, made for Queen Mary. There is number 222, Thomas Tompion, silver-mounted miniature, and there is this clock. It has peculiar things, everything about it is peculiar. It has a secret signature, twin fusee, bell striking, turtle shell pewter, brass inlaid case. The case was designed and built on the continent, and it has a term. This has a term. It's a tête de poupée, doll's head, by the greatest maker that lived, Thomas Tompion. Once the door is opened, it reveals even more. The engraving around the dial, this is the only dial of this shape in existence. The dial here is rise and fall regulation, and here we have a mock pendulum aperture with the pendulum swinging, so from across the room you can actually see that the clock is running. A stunning, beautiful little example with royal provenance that I absolutely love. Thomas Tompion, this is one of 4 clocks in existence in this style of case. 3 train, grand sonnerie, royal, designed to go on the wall. 2 of these clocks are in museums, and this is the only one available in the world. The other one is in private hands in a private collection. The most valuable clock on the market in the world today. Still, in my opinion, actually undervalued. Thomas Tompion was such a phenomenal maker, it's not about the name. Grand sonnerie, rise and fall regulation, strike silent, calendar in Spanish. This is known as the Spanish Tompion, and we should hear it strike. Perfection.